based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Commit to get fit with the Easy Adjustable Seat Recumbent Bike. Slide rail and easy adjust lever make moving the seat seamless. Soft grip handles with pulse sensors help to stabilize and calculate heart rate. Easy-to-use LCD monitor provides many features to monitor your workout. Tension control knob easily adjusts 8 levels of resistance. Maximum comfort with large cushioned back and seat. Self-leveling pedals with adjustable straps make placing your feet in and out simple and easy. Made for a variety of users with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Fitness made easy with the Easy Adjustable Seat Recumbent Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.